welcome. You are here because you got one of these craft kits and you clicked this little code and now you're here with me. Or you just found me, which is awesome, and I can get you a craft kit if you want. Anyway, I want to show you how much fun we can have with these kits, what's inside, how it works, all that good stuff. So first, we're going to open it up, and look, there's tissue paper that you can reuse for whatever you want. Every kit comes with 3 colors. So what I try to do is always give you a metallic, okay? I always give you a base color, either a white or maybe a black. So we got that right here. And then your color of choice. So this one is malachite, but I also have lapis and I have a rose gold. So we're gonna have some fun with that today. Then we've got some little pour cups for you. Straw, I know, it's kind of crazy, but it's gonna come in handy. Some gloves for you to use. I don't use them, but yeah, I put them in there for you. And then each one comes with 4 tiles and 1, 2, 3, and 4 pieces of cork to put on the back of the tile. So basically, by the time you're done, you can put this whole thing together, add your sealer of choice, and you've got an awesome gift or project. But here's what's really great. Y'all, I give you a ton of this. You are gonna have so much left over that you can go to your local hardware store or resale joint and get a bunch more of these and keep going and going and going, okay? So let's have some fun. So I'm gonna show you a few different ways for you to use the cups, use the paints, and create different designs, okay? So first of all, let's take off the tops. You can layer this up however you want. Honestly, just have fun and experiment. We're gonna put in some white, maybe 3 or 4 seconds in there, and then layer whatever colors you want. You can go for it, use all 3 at once. You don't need a whole lot. The tiles aren't that big. But let's layer that. And maybe go like twice through each color. Have some fun. Have some fun. All right, let's take a shot. No, don't take a shot. Okay, set that aside, and we're gonna kind of let it burble and gurgle and do whatever kind of magic it does in the cup first while we get another cup ready. You ready? So we can do it just 2 colors. We can do all 3. Y'all, it's up to you. And layer them differently maybe. See what happens. The first color you lay down is actually gonna be the top color. See how that happens? So I'm gonna do a couple more here. So we're gonna do one of these as a flip cup and one of these as a ribbon so you can see the difference. So I'm just gonna layer them a little bit differently. Random is your friend. Random's where it's at. There you go. Okay, now we've got 2. So what I like to do next, take one of your tiles, make sure it's nice and clean, and we're gonna put on what I call a slip layer. So we're gonna put on a color, usually white. Okay, so just take one, take your white, and just spread it around. You can use your finger. That's why I gave you gloves, people. It's gonna get messy, but you can take it all off when you're done. There you go. So the first thing I'm gonna show you how to do is your basic flip cup. So we're gonna take our tile and we're just gonna flip our cup. Flip cup.
I know we could be a splash of paint in a world that's otherwise so gray. Take me by my arms and say it's the first to color things this way. And you are typing the words down, let them take your blank spaces. We could be a splash of paint.
I think that's pretty awesome. All right, so now we have our drippings. Just like Thanksgiving, we're gonna do something with our drippings. So there they are, it doesn't look like much, but I put some white all the way around it. So now I can stretch this too, watch. You may or may not have enough. Usually if you are patient, which I'm not, or you can shake a little bit, you can get your drippings to spread out really nicely. And if they feel like you're just not getting enough color, you can always go back in and add a little bit more in there to help it slip around. There we go. And if you have more than one kit, you guys, you can even mix up all the colors. There we go. All right, you want to do it again? You want to do a different way? Let me show you. Actually, you can take any color, really, to be your slip. We can go in and do it with the gold if you want. Okay, there you go. Mush it all around. So sometimes I forget to do this, like on that last take, but it's okay. It just helps it along, but it's not absolutely necessary. But I like to put it on there, and now we're gonna do the ribbon. So the ribbon gives you a little bit more control over what you're doing, if you're that kind of person, controlling. No, it's okay, really, it's okay. So what I like to do is I'm just gonna zigzag back and forth. Check it out. I have to stand up for this, all right? There you go, and then you can stretch it however you want it. And grab another tile and let's drip right onto it, see? This one, you can make it look a little bit more like agate. Just stretch however you want it. And once you get it exactly how you want it, you're done. You're done. We're gonna put that on there, and then I'm gonna show you the last trick. The trick is to have a nice rag to wipe your hands off while you do this. All right, so we've got our drippings, so I can show you this trick. Why did I put in a straw? Why a straw, Sue? Because here's what you can do with the colors. Once you got them on there, watch this.
I know we could be a splash of paint in a world that's otherwise so gray. Take me by my arms and say it's the first to color things this
What the straw does is it helps you see the colors underneath. See how it's almost like you're excavating, and you can mix it up with your pour and your blend, whatever works for you. If you want to put another little bit of blue on there, and then you can blow it around. Cool, huh? Be good. Wasn't that fun? I know, it went by really fast, but here's the thing. I gave you guys so much paint. Look at this. This thing's still half full. Just go get a bunch more tiles, get some wood, get some jewelry, get whatever, get some paper, and just keep going, keep playing, keep having a good time. And when you're done, just get another craft kit. Anyway, I hope you guys had fun with me today. I hope you learned something. And please be sure to follow me, subscribe, so you're always in the know whenever I come up with another crazy idea, which is very often, frequent, by the minute. Okay, thanks for joining me, you guys. Have fun with your kits.